What happens if you break your bond conditions? Imagine you're out of jail on bond, waiting for your day in court, and suddenly you decide to ignore the rules set for your releases. What could happen next? Well, breaking bond conditions is a serious matter that can change your situation fast. Bond conditions are court orders that tell you what you can and cannot do while you're out. They are meant to ensure you show up in court and keep everyone safe. These conditions can include things like showing up for all court dates, checking in regularly with a bail officer, not using drugs or alcohol if tested, staying within a certain area, or avoiding contact with certain people. If you violate any of these rules, the court sees it as a breach of trust. The first and most immediate result is that your bond can be revoked. That means the judge can cancel your releases and send you back to jail. You might be held without bail until your trial is over. This can happen quickly, sometimes without warning, especially if you miss a court date or commit a new offense. If a violation occurs, a warrant is issued for your arrest, and if you are stopped for any reason, you could be taken into custody right then and there. Violating bond conditions often leads to an increase in your bond amount. For example, if your original bond was $5,000 and you violate the rules, the judge might double it to $10,000. This makes it harder to get out again. You could also face new criminal charges. If you were told not to contact someone and you do, charges like harassment or witness tampering could be added. Traveling outside your allowed area might lead to additional charges for violating a court order. These new charges make your legal situation worse and can be used against you in court. Breaking bond conditions can also lead to contempt of court charges. This is a separate offense that can add jail time beyond what you might face for your original case. Courts take this very seriously because it shows disrespect for their authority. Having a record of bond violations can hurt your reputation in future cases. Judges and prosecutors may see you as unreliable or a flight risk, making it harder to get bail later. Even if you are found not guilty on your original charges, the violation stays on your record. It can influence how judges view your character and affect plea deals or sentencing. When you violate bond conditions, you will likely face a bail revocation hearing. Here, a judge looks at what you did, how serious the violation was, and your past compliance. Your lawyer can help argue that the violation was minor or accidental. The judge might decide to set stricter conditions, increase your bond, or revoke it completely. To avoid these problems, the best move is to follow all bond rules carefully. If you think a condition is unfair or impossible to follow, your attorney can ask the court to change it before you violate it. If you already broke a rule, contact your lawyer immediately. Do not hide the violation or try to ignore it. Your lawyer can help explain what happened and work to lessen the consequences. If someone else co-signed your bond and you violate the conditions, they should also contact the bail bond company right away. They could be held responsible for any extra costs. Remember, bond conditions are court orders, not suggestions. Ignoring or breaking them can lead to serious legal trouble, including more jail time, higher bail, new charges, and damage to your reputation. The key is to follow the rules and work with your lawyer to fix any issues before they become bigger problems.